Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're new. My name is Raquel and I'm the owner and operator of Chosen Designs by RW. Today we are going to go through Cricut Maker or Cricut Explorer. So let's just jump right into it and let's get going. So first things first, you're going to open a new canvas. And you're going to hit upload, upload image, browse. And you're going to put in your SVG file. You're going to make sure that it says a cut image down here. And you're going to hit upload. So now that you're in the upload screen, you're going to hit the image that you just downloaded and you're going to hit insert images. Now that your image is inserted, you want to make sure that you get all your colors done at this stage here, and then we'll format it to the way that we want it to look. For the sake of this video, I like the way these colors look together, and we're not cutting the image out, we are just formatting it and showing you the steps to format to get it ready to cut your vinyl. Okay, so for this one, we're going to select the whole thing and we are going to ungroup it. And we are going to ungroup again. We just want to make sure that all the like items are the way that they need to be. So the only thing that I did do was I hid these two things because I'm not really sure what they are for this file, and I really didn't need them for the sake of this video. So now at this stage, we want to make sure that all the like images are together. So if we hit make it right now, everything is going to be its own thing. So like the G in grateful is not together, the leaf is on the wrong side, always isn't one word at this present moment. So we're going to hit cancel and we're going to make sure that we put all the like images together. When I say like images, I mean color. So we have always highlighted. You're going to hit shift and you're going to select all the things with the same color. Okay, and then you're going to group those together and then attach them. By attaching them, you put them locked in that place that they are in. So when you cut out your vinyl, they're going to cut in the exact same spot that you see them now. So we're going to go down to grateful and the leaf. And we are going to group them together and attach them. The arrow is already an arrow and it doesn't need any editing done to it. So now we can hit make it. And now your design is ready to cut. So at this point here, you would just move it a little bit away from the red line, which is what I like to do. You don't have to, but I like to do that for my own sanity. So we just move it away a little bit and now it's ready to cut. So then you're gonna hit continue. You're gonna connect to your machine. My machine is not with me at the moment, so it's not going to connect. But in the next video that we do in this series, it'll show you how to connect your machine and how to cut your vinyl. That's all I have for you today. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe, as you'll be seeing more Cricut tutorial videos